Bonus book review, Oh, She Glows Every Day, quick and simply satisfying plant-based recipes. Hey, welcome to Healthy Vegan Living.
You've got John and Gary.
Hey, I'm John, your friendly vegan.
And I'm Gary, the guy who thinks kale chips deserve their own spot on the food pyramid.
Together, we're here to dish out unique insights into the vegan lifestyle, like, who knew tofu could do yoga?
Seriously, I saw it in Downward Dog the other day. It was impressive.
Today, we're diving into Oh, She Glows Every Day by Angela Liddon. This book is packed with quick and simply satisfying plant-based recipes.
Yeah, like the kind of recipe that makes you grow brighter than a neon sign at a 24-hour diner.
Exactly. And the best part? You don't need a culinary degree to whip these up. Just a love for veggies and a sense of adventure.
And maybe a blend that doesn't sound like it's trying to take off to Mars.
So, whether you're a seasoned vegan or just someone who thinks plant-based means eating a salad once a month, this book has something for you.
And trust us, after trying these recipes, you'll be glowing so much people might start asking you've been hanging out with radioactive vegetables.
So grab your aprons, your sense of humor, and let's get cooking.
And remember, if tofu can do yoga, you can definitely make a killer vegan mac and cheese.
Thanks for tuning in, and happy cooking!
Stay glowing, folks!
Oh, She Glows Every Day, quick and simply satisfying plant-based recipes, a cookbook paperback, illustrated, September 6, 2016, by Angela Liddon. Experience the magic of Angela Liddon's plant-based recipes, now in her instant New York Times bestseller. This eagerly anticipated follow-up to her previous New York Times bestseller, the Oh She Glows Cookbook, is a treasure trove of over 100 quick and easy whole food, plant-based recipes. These recipes are designed to keep you glowing every day of the year, making it a must-have for every health-conscious foodie. Angela Liddon, a name synonymous with plant-based cooking, is back with her highly anticipated sequel. Her irresistible and foolproof recipes have set the gold standard for plant-based cooking. With a phenomenally popular blog and a New York Times best-selling debut, the Oh She Glows Cookbook, Angela has garnered millions of fans. Now, in this sequel, she presents a plethora of wildly delicious recipes perfect for busy lifestyles, making plant-based eating convenient every day of the week, including holidays and special occasions. Packed with over 100 family-friendly recipes that everyone will love, such as OMG Veggie Burgers, Fusilli Lentil Mushroom Bolognese, and Ultimate Flourless Brownies, Oh She Glows Every Day also provides useful information on essential pantry ingredients and tips for making recipes kid-allergy- and freezer-friendly. This beautiful go-to cookbook from one of the internet's most beloved cooking stars proves that it's possible to create simple, nourishing, and tasty meals even on a busy schedule, and that the whole family can enjoy.
About the author. Angela Liddon is the founder, recipe developer, and writer behind ohsheglows.com, an award-winning site for healthy plant-based recipes, attracting millions of monthly visitors. Her work has been featured in numerous local and international publications including Veg News, O, the Oprah magazine, Fitness, The Kitchen, Self, Shape, National Post, The Guardian, Glamour, and Best Health. Liddon has received awards such as Veg News Best Vegan Blog for 3 consecutive years, Chattel Lane's Woman of the Year Hot 20 Under 30 Awards, and Food Buzz best veg blog, and best overall blog. Her first cookbook, the Oh She Glows Cookbook, is an international bestseller, recognized as Indigo's Book of the Year of 2014, and listed on the New York Times bestseller list. Angela lives in Oakville, Ontario, Canada, with her husband Eric, their daughter Adriana, their cat Sketchy. You'll find her blog at www.ohsheglows.com. With such a wealth of experience and recognition, you can trust that her new cookbook will be a valuable addition to your kitchen.
Product details. Publisher, Avery, Illustrated Edition, September 6, 2016. Language, English. Paperback, 352 pages. ISBN 10-158-333-5749. ISBN 13-978-158-333-5741. Multiple Amazon reviews. These recipes are straightforward and not too time-consuming, making them ideal for weeknight cooking. However, there are fewer entrees than smoothies, desserts, and other categories. This isn't a major issue since I can find entrees elsewhere. Each recipe includes prep time and serving sizes. While entrees naturally take longer, many recipes come together quickly. One complaint is the abundance of cheesy photos of the author and her family. Although the photography is stunning, it lacks the warmth and inviting feel of Angela's first cookbook, in which she photographed herself. The new book features a minimalist white-on-white theme, with white backgrounds and white dishes, which might not appeal to everyone. Some recipes require specialty ingredients that are hard to find, like coconut nectar for caramel sauce, coconut butter for smoothies, and cashew butter for various dishes. I also struggled to find spelt breadcrumbs. Despite being marketed for on-the-go lifestyles, many recipes start with phrases like, "This one is a little involved," making them less suitable for quick weeknight meals. It feels like the author overextended herself with this cookbook. For example, I tried the sweet potato spinach curry, which was disappointing. It lacked curry powder or paste and was quite flavorless. This book feels colder, less approachable, and less intimate. The excessive white space and smaller, lighter font make it harder to read. Additionally, many recipes are either available on the blog or are reimagined versions of previous ones, like chia seed jam. So far, the few recipes I've tried haven't been standout hits for me.
My opinion. The first Oh She Glows OSG cookbook is one of my favorite. I love the OSG recipes are delicious and use old food without any artificial products. The last chapter, Homemade Staples, is particularly handy, offering recipes for vegan mayo, cashew sour cream, vegan parmesan, and other useful fridge and pantry staples. The endnotes for each recipe provide helpful suggestion, and you can download the nutrition info from her website. However, I was slightly disappointed with this new book. I was looking forward to a more simplified, quick and everyday type of book that this isn't it. It heavily focuses on smoothies and dessert recipes and has fewer main dishes than I had hoped for. Most of the included main dishes are time-consuming to prepare, often requiring the prep of several smaller recipes beforehand. This is fine when you have the time, but it's not what I expected from a book marketed as everyday. The book is advertised for those with busy lives, but every recipe I tried takes quite a while, making it impractical for cooking after a long day at work. I was excited for quick, earthy meals, but many recipes require several other components to be ready first, which doesn't simplify things on a limited time schedule. The book's design is another disappointment. It takes a minimalist approach, with photos taken on white or white marble background, making the food look washed out. This book might be more suited for those who regularly eat snacks and smoothies, which isn't my preference, so I can't vouch for those recipes. So far, I've made the salted chocolate emp shake for two, green tea lime pie smoothie bowl, green orange creamsicle smoothie, roasted hazelnut almond granola clusters, and roasted garlic and sun-dried tomato hummus. The last chapter remains a strong point with its practical staple recipes, but the book hasn't met my expectations for a quick, everyday cooking. Please tune in to our next episode, number 62, Animal-Derived Ingredients.
Thanks so much for tuning into the podcast. We really appreciate you listening and can't wait to have you back for our next exciting episode all about veganism.
Could you please consider supporting my podcast? If you enjoyed this episode, you could contribute by gifting $5. Alternatively, you could donate through the Buy Me a Coffee website. The address can be found in the show notes. Your support means a lot.
Our podcast's intro and outro music is Beautiful Days by Darren Birch from the album Synonymous, the best of Darren Birch, instrumental songs, released by Danmark Music Group on March 4th, 2019. Darren Birch Music. My disclaimer: I aim for accuracy and embrace continuous learning. My views are evidence-based and open to feedback. This content isn't medical advice. Consult your physician. This disclaimer applies to all contributors.